Hello folks, welcome back to What's for Supper Wednesday. Today we're going to be making some garlic parmesan chicken wings. Let's get started. Alright, what we're going to need for this, we're going to need some salt, baking powder, some chicken wing selections, some garlic powder, coarse black pepper, and some paprika. Alright, I put my 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder in here. Now, we're going to put the seasonings in here. Now, I will tell you, whenever I started doing the first ones, I thought, well, this ain't going to be as much seasoning for it. And I was right. So, what I would do is double it, because I had to make some extra. And I ran out of baking powder for using it there. And you're probably wondering, well, why is he putting baking powder in it? I did not know it, but whenever you are fixing any sort of chicken and you're coating it, it actually helps the chicken skin make it crispier. But I had to use cornstarch after the first batch there. Now I'm going to lay it out here on a drying rack. This is just to lay them out there, and I'm going to take a paper towel and I'm going to just dry them. Drying them will help the coating stick better to it. Now, I've got the ones that I had enough room for. I've got them laid on the cookie sheet here. Now, you don't got to pick them up. Mom told me after I started doing it, all you had to do was just dab it. All you're doing for that is just to make it'll make the coating stick crispier. Yes, do it like that there. Now, if I haven't showed you all before, or if you haven't seen it on any of my videos that I've made, what I usually do is, if I'm making any sort of fried chicken, pork, anything that's breaded, I will try and use that bowl, and I'll put all my flour and spices in it just to get them evenly coated. As you can see right there, everything is pretty well coated, and you can see that I run out of mix on the first one, but we'll make some more. Like I said, I would double all of it there. Alrighty, we got them all coated up. Now what we're going to do, we're going to stick them in the oven for 40 minutes at 425. Now halfway through, if you want to, you can pull them out and you can flip them over to cook both sides. Now I didn't. I've never cooked chicken wings before. It might be better, but you can do that if you want to. It recommends it in the recipe, but you make the choice. It's make it your own. Alright, we're going to get in the oven here. We'll get to work on the garlic parmesan sauce. Alrighty, well that's cooking in the oven. We're going to make our garlic parmesan sauce. What we're going to need is a stick of butter, some Parmesan cheese, some garlic powder, and some coarse black pepper. Alright, we got our butter all melted up here. Now we're going to add our Parmesan cheese in. You're going to just mix it until it gets melted together in with the butter. Just get out all the clumps. Just stir it up real good. Alrighty, we're going to add in our 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Now, you can add in how much ever you want. Make it your own. I just put in two teaspoons because that's what the recipe called for. And then we'll get it mixed up, just get it all blended together with the Parmesan cheese and the butter. Alright, going to add in our teaspoon of pepper. Just don't put a lot, Dan. Just don't put a lot of pepper. Alrighty, get it all mixed up here. Now, the chicken wings should be coming out in just a minute, and we'll get it all mixed up. Alrighty, the chicken wings are out of the oven. Don't they look good? But we ain't done yet. Let's get them all sauced up, and then we can eat. Alrighty, I'm gonna get the chicken wings added to the bowl here, and then we'll get them all coated with the garlic Parmesan sauce. Just gonna do the same method I done with the coating. Just get them all put in the bowl here, and then I'll get the sauce poured over them and we'll shake it up. Alrighty, just pour it over. Make sure you get some of the Parmesan in. Don't really matter if you get it all poured over, because once you start shaking it up, it'll get evenly coated. Alrighty, make sure we got the lid on super tight. We don't want no accidents or spills. Got it evenly coated there. You can even dip your wings down in that sauce. Now, we made some homemade tater chips. I didn't have enough time to film them, but I will be making them in a different video for y'all to see. But I want to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like the video, subscribe to the channel if you liked what you see, comment, tell me how I done, and you all have a blessed day, and we'll see you Friday. Thank you for watching.